Have you ever wondered about the cost of installing an electric vehicle charger at home? It's an intriguing query, isn't it? After all, the convenience of charging your electric vehicle at home is a significant advantage. Today, we're going to break down the cost of installing an electric vehicle charger at home, delving into the various components that make up this cost. Before we dive into the cost, let's talk about the feasibility of installing a Level 2 EV charger at home. A Level 2 charger requires a dedicated 240-volt circuit, similar to what your electric dryer or oven might use. This means you'll need to have enough capacity in your electrical panel to support the charger. Having a Level 2 charger at home offers many benefits such as faster charging times, allowing you to fully charge your vehicle overnight. This convenience can greatly enhance your EV ownership experience. However, we also need to consider potential challenges. You might need to upgrade your electrical panel or run a new electrical line, which can add to the cost. But don't worry, later in this video, we'll discuss these potential costs and how to plan for them. So, as you can see, while there are some requirements and potential challenges, installing a Level 2 EV charger at home is definitely feasible and beneficial. Let's discuss the financial aspect of the electric vehicle charger. The price of this pivotal piece of equipment fluctuates, with factors such as the model, the brand, and the power capacity affecting the final cost. The most common type of charger, the Level 2 charger, that's typically found in residential settings, can expect to set you back anywhere from $300 to $800. It's crucial to keep in mind that while a higher power capacity ensures a quicker charging time, it also correlates directly with a steeper price. Coming up, we delve into the expenditure for installation. This encompasses the labor charges of a professional electrician who will be responsible for the charger setup. The duration of the installation hinges on its intricacy, ranging anywhere from 2 to 5 hours. Electricians bill on an hourly basis, with rates fluctuating significantly, but you might anticipate the cost to be in the ballpark of $50 to $100 per hour. Then we have the potential upgrade of your home's electrical panel. If your current panel can't handle the additional load of an electric vehicle charger, you'll need to upgrade. This can be a costly endeavor, with prices ranging from $1,000 to $2,500. Following this, there's the cost of any necessary permits. Most cities require permits for installing an EV charger, and these can cost anywhere from $50 to $500 depending on your location. Lastly, there's the cost of running the electrical line to where you plan to install the charger. If the charger is being installed a significant distance from your electrical panel, the cost of wiring could add up. This could range between $300 and $500. So, to summarize, the cost of installing an electric vehicle charger at home is influenced by several factors. These include the cost of the charger itself, the labor cost for installation, the potential need for an electrical panel upgrade, the cost of necessary permits, and the cost of running the electrical line to the charger's location. The total cost can vary widely, but a rough estimate would be between $2,000 to $4,000. However, it's important to remember that having a home charger can save you significant time and offer convenience, making it a worthwhile investment for many electric vehicle owners. It's always wise to do your research, get multiple quotes, and budget accordingly. And remember, while the upfront cost can be substantial, the convenience and potential savings in the long run can make installing an electric vehicle charger at home a savvy move. That's our deep dive into the cost of installing an electric vehicle charger at home. It's a fascinating topic, isn't it? We hope you found this information helpful and enlightening. Until next time, safe and happy driving.